Getting unwanted calls on your Samsung Galaxy? In this video, I'll show you two quick and easy ways to block any phone number, helping you stop spam calls and unwanted contacts in just a few taps. Method 1. Block a recent caller. If the person recently called you, you can block their number directly from your recent call history. Open the phone applications. Next, tap the Recents tab located at the bottom of the screen. Find the phone number or contact you want to block and tap on it. Then, tap the Information I or Details icon to open the contact information page. Scroll down and tap Block or Block Contact. A confirmation message will appear, so simply tap Block again to confirm your choice. Once you've completed these steps, calls and text messages from that number will be blocked, helping you avoid unwanted interruptions. Method 2. Manually block a phone number. If the number isn't in your recent calls or contacts, you can manually add it to your blocked list. Start by opening the phone app. Tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. Next, tap Block Numbers. You'll see an Add Phone Number field where you can type the number you want to block. After entering the number, tap the plus icon to save it to your blocked list. From now on, any calls from that number will be automatically blocked before they reach you. If you ever change your mind, simply return to the Block Numbers menu and remove the number from the list to allow calls again. You're all set. Enjoy a quieter calling experience. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more easy to follow Android tutorials.